Okay. So this is my Air 75 II Freestyle, and I got it. And as you saw in my last video, it could actually be the video after this. I don't know which order I'm gonna edit them in because I'm doing them on the same day. So here we go. We're going in the drone. I'm just gonna do laps around my house. Ow. No. Bro. Okay. How did it just magically get worse as soon as I started recording? Okay. So, I think we're gonna do one battery and then end this video. Bye! Oh. Just literally fell through the air there. Here's a fun thing that I like to do. Okay. Oh my. So I'm going into my room. Let me into my room. No! Don't crash. So here's my room. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh god. Oh. There we go. Oh. Okay. Here. Oh my god. It's glitching a lot. Oh, there we go. Okay. Meow. Woo! That was good. And as I said, when this battery dies, actually, I think I'm actually gonna do 2 batteries. This one died pretty fast. Yeah, I'm not gonna cut you off. 3 minutes. That would be bad of me. Unless I wanted this to be short, but this is a long form video. So, if I made this a short, there would be giant black things around the bottom. Or I could just do a hand cam, but I tried doing a hand cam, but then I accidentally recorded for too long, and then I had too many files. And the phone that I used couldn't hold it. So, yeah, I'm not going to cut you off there. So, when this battery dies, we'll get one more. I think I'll end it there. And that would be about 10 minutes. Yeah, okay. So, I think, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh! Yeah, I think that was my first crash of the video. I'm not fully swapping over to this, but I just haven't found that much 3D printing things to do, so I decided to take videos from my $250 drone. which is actually a pretty good idea. So, oh god. And why I posted, why I posted a short is so that you have to get views from shorts to actually get money from being a YouTuber. I also do this for fun. I like it. And also, I think I have like about 13 subscribers. I haven't checked that much, but that is 13 people that watch me. And like, I have a lot more views than that. So that's 13 people that decided that they like me. That they like my channel. And I want to turn that 13 into like 10,000 eventually. I mean, that's gonna take some years, but I should have listened to it. Okay, it died. Here, I'm gonna bring it back to me with the least possible battery. Yeah, that thing is...
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Oh. No, okay.
Telemetry lost.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more battery and then end this video. Okay, let's go replace the battery. So, okay. I know you're just seeing black and white right now, and it's weird, but I am replacing the battery. Oh, there's a hair in here. Let's get that out before that gets tangled. That happened to me on the first day of flying. And also that tiny little green speck is actually my canopy. I 3D printed my canopy, and also I 3D printed some feet. Oh, some of the feet already fell off. This isn't my first time flying this drone. I have 25 hours in the simulator. If that counts as flight time, I don't really know. Probably doesn't. I wouldn't count it as flight time, but... Why is this battery not cooperating? Ooh, I actually had to end the video there because my goggles would only store 10 minutes instead of 13 minutes. I know the video for you was actually 9 minutes, but there was time before that I got everything set up, and it was recording because I had to have it record. So then I could have it like start at the same time. And also I kept all that stuff where you just saw black and white, so then you could hear what I said.